Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SAP Formula. In today's class, let us see customer master data. In previous class, we discussed four different types of master data in SAP SD. One is customer master data, material master data, customer master info record, and condition master. I have explained in detail all these four different types of master data in concept 13. I would also request you to watch other videos as well because these concepts are the base to understand what exactly SAP SD is, what does sales and distribution deal. Now let us get into today's concept, that is customer master data. Now who is a customer? Customer is a person who will purchase the goods from the company. Okay, a customer is a person who will purchase the goods from the company. The information of the customer is stored centrally and can be used whenever is required. See, if you want to take a loan from the bank, then you should be an account holder of that bank. Now, all your details will be stored in the bank. Now, then only you can request for a loan. Okay, so that's why if you link this statement with this SAP SD customer master, you will understand clearly. See, customer is a person who will purchase the goods from the company. It means that the customer has to be present in the company code. At the company code level, the customer has to be present, and now the customer information should be stored centrally, and these information should be accessed whenever required. So hope you understood the meaning of this sentence. Now let us see what is partner function. See, we have four different types of partner functions in standard. One is sold to party. Who is sold to party? Person who will raise the order. You are raising the order from Flipkart, so you are the sold to party. Now ship to party, person who will receive the product. Sometimes you will receive the product or you might send the product to your friend. So in this, anyone can be the ship to party. Now, bill to party, who is going to pay the bill? Bill to party, who is receiving the bill? He will be the bill to party. Now, payer, who pays the bill, is called as payer. Now, in my example, I have taken three customers: Bharati Wholesaler Private Limited, Vikas Dealer Private Limited, Agro Institute Private Limited. Now, this Bharati Wholesaler Private Limited, if they want to purchase any product from company ZZZZ, then they have to be present in this company. Now, if they want to purchase, even they have to be present in this sales organization, distribution channel, and division. What is distribution channel? It is a method of selling goods to end customer. Now, this Bharati wholesaler, they are wholesalers. Okay, they are wholesalers. That is the reason they are present in ZW. So, if you see the configuration part, what is ZW? ZW is nothing but wholesalers. What is ZX? Dealer. ZY is institution sales. So that is the reason Vikas dealer is present in ZX because he is a dealer, because this customer is a dealer. Now Agro Institute Private Limited, they are present in ZY. What is ZY? Institution sales. That is the reason they belong to their particular distribution channel with respect to their particular distribution channel. Now, these Bharati wholesalers, so even though the company is manufacturing three different product lines, one is healthcare products, one is home care product, one more is just a minute. PHER. So Parva body care products, body care products. Okay. Now ZN is body care products. Now, Bharati Wholesaler Private Limited, they will purchase only ZL product lines. Okay. Even though the company is manufacturing, but they are into ZL product line. What is ZL? ZL is nothing but healthcare products. Now ZM means home care products. Now this Vikas dealer, they want to purchase only home care products, and Agro Institute Private Limited, they want to purchase only body care products. Okay, so hope you understood this concept, right? Now, what is general data? General data represent where does this customers are located. Okay, what is the pin code? in which state, in which region. So if I want to contact these customer, what will be their phone number or email address? What if these customers are registered under GST, then what is their GST? So each and every detail will be represented by general data. So I can say that customer master is a combination of general data, company code data, and sales area data. What is sales area? Sales area is a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. So hope you got a clear picture about customer master data. Now let us see how we can create these customer master data in SAP. Before going into SAP, there is something that I want to tell you, that is transaction code. T code means transaction code. If I want to create a customer master completely, then the transaction code will be XD01. The change mode is XD02. Display will be XD03. See, complete customer master data is nothing but general data, company code data, and sales data. Now, if I want to create a customer in general data and company code data, okay, I'm creating a customer only in general data and company code data. Now, usually finance people will be responsible to create customer in general data and company code data, and this is the transaction they use. Now if the customer has to be created in general data and sales area data, then the transaction code is VD01. Generally the sales executive person will be responsible to create the customer in general data and sales area data by using a transaction code VD01. See, the SAP has provided multiple transactions to create a customer in a particular, or I can say in respective areas. Okay. Whether the customer has to be present in only company code data, or they have to be present in only sales area data, or the customer should be present in all these three different levels. Okay. So based on the requirement of the company, we can create a customer by using this transaction. Now, who is responsible to create customer master in SAP SD? So usually end users are responsible to create customer master in SAP. Who are end users? Let us assume that you're going to a supermarket. At the cashier counter, you will see a person who is going to bill all your products. Right? He will take the scanner, he will bill all your products. So he is the end customer. End customers are those who are working for a particular company, who are SD consultants. For example, Infosys, okay, Infosys, TCS. So all people who are working in service-based companies, so they will go and they will implement the SAP to Tata Motors, and they are called as SD consultants. Now, it is also very important that as a consultant you should be able to create a customer master. You should have understanding of each and every field that is present in customer master data. Now let us quickly log into SAP and see how we can create customer master data in SAP. So just a minute, I will log into the system. So as per this document, if I want to create a complete customer master, then what is the transaction XD01? Now go to this menu bar. You can see this is the menu bar. So copy there. Click on enter. So you can see that company code data and this is sales area data. So I'm creating customer in both company code level and at sales area level. Now you can see here overview, account group overview. Now click on this. Now you can see sold to party. Now this Bharati. So now I'm going to create Bharati wholesaler. Now Bharati wholesaler is a customer who is going to purchase the product from the company. Now I have to select sold to party. Correct, right? I am selecting sold to party. Now this customer number will be generated by the system when you save. Why? Where is the control? So here you can see external. If external is checked, then you have to give some external number. If it is unchecked, that means that system will give a customer number whose number ranges between this lower limit and between this upper limit. Okay. Now I am going to create a customer in my company code, that is 4 Z's. Now I am going to create in this sales organization. in this distribution channel and in this division. So as per the Excel sheet, so where's the Excel sheet? So this is the company code, sales organization, distribution channel and division. Now, now check this. Continue. Now you can see this is the general data tab. Okay, this is the general data tab. This is company code data and this is sales area data. Now what is the name? So I am going to give the name Bharati Wholesalers Private Limited. Now I will paste the same thing in search bar. Now I will give street. So they're in Karnataka, right? Marathalli. I'll give Marathalli. Marathalli street, house number, some random house number 1234. Now postal code. What is the postal code? 560067. And what is the city? City Bengaluru. City Bengaluru. Country IN. What is the region for Karnataka? The region is 10. Now transportation zone. This is a standard transportation zone. Now click on enter. Now go for company code data. If you go to company code data, see that the tab has been disappeared because whatever the screens that you are able to see here, it is purely company code data. Uh, what fields? Now again, I'll go to general data. Now you can see the general data has been disappeared. You can see company code data, which means that you're in general data. Now go to company code data. Now reconciliation account. See what is this reconciliation account? We will see while discussing the importance of each field. See, reconciliation is nothing but in simple, I will tell for time being. So for time being, I will tell in simple. Suppose this customer, Bharati Wholesaler Private Limited, they will purchase some 10,000 quantity worth of 10 lakh rupees from company. From this company, they will purchase. Now they have to pay for this company, right? So whatever the amount that the Bharati Wholesaler Private Limited has to pay to the company, that amount will be debited. Okay, will be debited into this reconciliation account. Okay. So whenever the Bharati Wholesaler Private Limited purchase any products from the company, from this company, that is Parva Private Limited company, now that amount will be debited to reconciliation account. Now, based on this reconciliation account, the customer will pay to the company. Okay. Now, if you press F4, see, you can see no entry options available. Correct, right? No entry options available. So what I will do, there are two settings which you have to perform. See, usually finance people is responsible for these two activities which I'm going to perform. Okay. But for time being, let us do because we have to proceed further, right? So that is the reason. Now slash OBY6. Okay. Go to OBY6. Now what is our company code? This is our company code. Go to our company code. Now what you will do is that now give financial year variant as K4. See, what is K4? K4 is nothing but January to December. Okay. So whatever the posting that we do in SAP, okay, whatever the posting that we do SAP, that will be from January to December. So this is our financial year. Or we have one more financial year variant which is called as V3. So V3 is nothing but from April to March. Okay. From April to March is the financial year. But for our example, let us take K4 as financial year. So K4 means what? From January to December. Now, what is chart of accounts? Chart of accounts INT. See, these things will be taken care by FI consultants, but for for practice purpose, we have to do all this. And it was also added advantage for SD consultants if some part of FI concepts. Now click on posting period variant and enter. Now save it. Okay. Now save it. TR will be generated. Now go back. So now you have to perform one more activity. Okay. So go for transaction OBY2. OBY2. Now company code. What was our company code? This is our company code. Copy from 1000. So 1000 is a standard company code provided by the German. Okay. Now execute. So remove this test run. Now execute. Now, whatever the GL account, so you can see one warning message here saying that uh, post you are making a production run. Okay. Now execute. Now click enter. Now TR will be generated. Now what system is doing? System is copying all the GL accounts from standard company code to our company code. Okay. So why we want accounts? Okay. Why we want account? Because whenever a transaction is done, some amount should be credited or some account should be debited. Okay. Correct, right? Now you can see that accounts copied from the reference company code 1000. So all these are GL accounts which is copied to our company code. Now come back. Now again one step come back. Now go to customer master data. Let us create once again. Now XD01 is the T code to create a customer. Now I have selected the account group as sold to party and this is my company code and this is sales area. Now click on enter. Now, what is the name of this wholesaler? So I'll copy the Bharati Wholesaler Private Limited. So Bharati Wholesaler Private Limited. Now the search term also I'll give the same. And street, I'll give street as Marathalli. Marathalli. House number 1234, some random house number. Now postal code. Postal code 560067 I will give. City Bengaluru. City Bengaluru. Country IN. Region 10 because this customer is in Bengaluru, which belongs to Karnataka state, and this transportation zone. This transportation zone. So now click on this enter. So it is giving a warning message saying that this a customer with the same name exists in SAP. So it's okay. Now go for company code. Now, what is the reconciliation account? Now, press F4. Now, if you press F4, you can see list of GL accounts which is copied from company code 1000. Okay. Now, select 1,40,000 as a GL account. So, this is a standard GL account to debit the amount into customer accounting. Okay. Now, go to sales area data. Now in this sales area data, we have four different tabs. That is sales tab, shipping tab, billing document tab, and partner function. Okay. Now what is our sales office that we created? Our sales office is ZZ01 is a sales office. Now what is sales group? So we have one dedicated sales group for this particular healthcare products. Okay, now select healthcare products. Now these customer, okay, these customer, whatever I'm going to create a customer, so this customer will contact this sales group person ZZ1. What is ZZ1? ZZ1 is nothing but Parva Healthcare. Okay, so group of people. Sales group means group of people. Now go to shipping tab. Go to shipping tab. Delivery priority. Now select delivery priority is high and shipping condition as as soon as possible and delivering plant as ZZ01 because ZZ01 is in Karnataka, right? And even customer is also in Karnataka. So I'm saying to the system that whenever this customer raises order, then all the material should be transferred from ZZ01 plant to customer location. Now go to billing tab. Now in billing tab, the important is Incoterms. Okay. Now go to Incoterms. Now select Bengaluru. Terms of payment 0001 standard. Now tax whether this customer is taxed or not. Okay. So zero we have and we also have one. I think one is for relevant for tax. So I'm telling that this customer is applicable for tax. Account assignment group you can select 01. Now enter. Okay. Now you can save this customer. Okay. So once again, you can see if you want. So this is the general data. General data represents the physical location of the customer. And you okay. Now go to company code data. In company code data, we will mention what is the reconciliation account. What is the reconciliation account? And if you go to sales area data, we are telling to system that this customer belongs to this sales area. And for this customer, this is the dedicated sales group assigned ZZ1. That is Parva healthcare team. Healthcare team. And we have different tabs, shipping tab, billing document tab, and partner functions. Okay. Now save this. Now, when you save this, you can see that customer 100747. Okay. I will note down that customer code here. Okay, your customer code. Customer code I will note down here. So what is the customer code? Customer code is 100747. 100747. Okay. Now quickly I will create one more Vikas Dealer Private Limited. This Vikas Dealer Private Limited, even this customer is in Karnataka. Now what is the T code to create customer master? XD01. Go to XD01. Now this is sold to party. This customer is sold to party. Now this customer belongs to this company code and this sales area. Now what is the sales? I have to change, right? Because Vikas, he belongs to ZX. What is ZX? ZX is nothing but dealer. Okay. Now change this ZX. Change this to ZX dealer. Now this dealer, what he will purchase? He will purchase ZM. Now what is ZM? What is ZM? Okay. ZM is nothing but home care products. Now click on continue. Now what is the name of this dealer? Vikas Dealer Private Limited. Okay, Vikas Dealer Private Limited. Okay, did not get copied. One minute. Control C. So this is the name. This is the name. I am telling that the street. This Vikas Dealer, he's from Hebbal. Okay, he's from Hebbal. Now, what is the house number? Some random house number. Postal code 560078. Now, what is city? City is Bengaluru. Now, country is IN. Region is 10. Now, transportation zone. The standard transportation zone. Now, go to company code data. Now, reconciliation account. Now, what is the standard? So, this is a standard GL account, right? So, select this GL account. Click on enter. Now, go to sales area tab. Now sales office. What is sales office? ZZ01. So we have only one sales office. Okay. Now go to sales group. So sales group, which one you have to select? You have to select home care. Home care. Now after this, go to shipping tab. Delivery priority as 01 and shipping condition as 01. Delivering plant is also ZZ01. Now go to billing document. We have Incoterms. Select this Incoterms and location is Bengaluru. Bengaluru. Terms of payment and account assignment group as domestic revenue. Taxation 1. Okay, he is eligible to pay the tax. Now save this. Now save this. So you can see here one more customer code has been created 100748. Okay. 100748. Now I will create one more customer which is a Agro Institute Private Limited. Okay. Now what is the T code? XD01 is the T code. Now I have to change the sales organization, right? Because they belong to Telangana. For Telangana, what is the sales organization? ZZ02 is the sales organization. ZZ02 is the sales organization. What is the distribution channel? Distribution channel we have ZY. ZY is a distribution channel. And what is the division we have? Division we have ZN as a division. ZN. What is ZN? ZN is the thing, baby care products. Now click on enter. Now, what is the name of this customer? The name of this customer is Agro Institute Private Limited. Okay. So they are into Telangana. The customer is from Telangana. I will type street as High Tech City. High Tech City. Postal code, some random postal code. And city Hyderabad. City Hyderabad. Country India. Country India. Telangana. Okay. Region is Telangana, right? 36. What is 36? 36 is Telangana. Now transportation zone. Now go to company code data. What is reconciliation account? Like we discussed, this is a standard reconciliation account. Okay. Now click on enter. Now go to sales area data. Now sales office. So select one sales office. And what is a sales group? Sales group will be for body care products, right? For baby care products, sorry. So select this baby care products, click on enter. Okay, it is not defined. Okay, remove that. Okay, so there's a problem here. Okay, I will check that. Now go to shipping tab. Delivery priority as 01, shipping condition as 01, delivering plant ZZ02. Okay, ZZ02 you have to select. Now go to billing document. Billing document. Now select Incoterms. Now this is Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Terms of payment. Now account group and is eligible for tax. Now save this. Now what is the customer code that is being generated? 100749. 100749. Okay. See, we are getting the customer code which is generated by the system as per the sequence. Okay. See 747, 748, 749. So this is the advantage if we go for internal number range. Internal number range. Okay. So this is how we create customers in SAP. Now, like I told, we have another two different T codes, right? So, like I told, this Word document, where is the Word document? So we have FD01 also. Okay. If you type FD01, okay, type FD01. See, system is asking customer and company code. That's all. There is no sales area data here. Okay. Now, what is one more T code? VD01. Go to VD01. If you select VD01, you can see account group sales area, but not company code data. So this is the difference between all these three transaction codes. So hope you understood how to create the customer master in SAP. Now, now what I will do is, we have some important tables. Okay. We have something called important tables. Go to SE16N. So in this Word document, I have mentioned, okay, some important tables. Okay. So these are the important tables for SD, for customer master. Okay. In interview, they will ask this tables. Now KNA1. Okay. Go to SE16N. Okay. So in order to enter the table, you have to go to SE16N. What is the table? That table we saw KNA1. What is KNA1? General data. Okay. General data. So KNA1, I will enter. So you can see customer here, right? Now I'm giving this code. So what was the code that got generated? 100747. Now I will put that customer code here and I will execute. So when I execute, you can see all the data that we entered in general data only. You can't see company code and sales area data in this table. Okay. So let us assume there are 500 customers and I want a report of 500 customers. So I want to know what is their city, in which location they are, what is the postal code. Okay, each and everything we can track with this table. This is a standard table. This is a standard report given by SAP. See the description also, general data in customer master. Now, what is the next table we have? Next table we have is KNB1. Okay, go to KNB1. What is KNB1 represents? It represents company code data. Now enter the customer code and execute. Okay. So you can see this customer belongs to this company code and what is the reconciliation account. So if you enter each and every information while creating customer master, you can see all those data in this particular fields. Okay. Now come back. See one more thing. I am passing customer. Okay. I'll pass the company code now. What is the company code? So this is my company code. I am telling to the system that when I pass this company code, I should get list of customers who belong to this company code. Now execute. If I execute, I can see that there are four customers who belong to this company code. Okay. And what is the reconciliation account? Who created this and when they created? So each and every information you can track. Now come back. Now what is one more? What is the next table? KNVB SC16N. Okay. What is the next table? KNVB sales area data. Now this is my customer. Now I will enter what is K now KNVB. Now pass the customer. Now execute. So system will tell me that this customer belongs to this sales area, who created, when created, what is the Incoterms, what is the probability, customer pricing procedure. So each and every information will be displayed in this report. Okay. And one more thing, suppose I'm coming back, I'm deleting this. I'm telling to system that please give me all the customers who belong to sales organization ZZ01 and ZZ02. Now execute. So system is telling that there are four customer who belongs to this sales organization, and this distribution channel and divisions are associated with this sales organization. Okay. So this is the third important report given by SAP. Now let us go to next table, that is partner functions. KNVP. KNVP. Now enter the customer. So this is the customer. Now execute. So when you execute, system is telling that, see here you can see partner function, right? SP means sold to party, bill to party, payer and ship to party. So this table says that for this customer, he is the only bill to party, he is the payer and he is the ship to party. Okay. So he himself will order to the company. He himself will receive the product. That means this wholesaler will receive the product, and this wholesaler only pay to the company, and this wholesaler only will take the bill. So each and everything will be done by this customer only. So this is the fourth important table, customer master partner functions. Okay. And what is the next table we have? KNVI, taxation, tax classification. KNVI. Okay. KNVI. Now enter the customer. Now click on execute. So when you execute, like system is giving that for this customer, the tax classification is 01. Now what is 1? 1 is nothing but relevant for tax. So if the company needs a list of customers, okay, the 10,000 customers, I want to know which customer is fall under tax category and which customer does not fall under tax category, then this report will help, and this report is given by SAP. This is standard reports, okay? Each and everyone should know. Now ADRC, okay? ADRC. So usually what happens, go to ADRC. Now pass any one country code, or see, you can see all these options. Okay, you can see all these options. Now something called, I have postal code. Okay. For example, I'm entering 560067. Now execute. So if I execute, okay, under that postal code, these many address numbers are there. Okay, these many address numbers are there. So this is the next important table. So you can see ours, Parva Private Limited. So this one we created, and this is the address number. So this address number is generated by SAP. So start from the system. Okay. Now come back. So we have one more table also, that is business data, VBKD. Okay, VBKD. SC16N. SC16N. I think VBKD will come from 1 minute. VBKD. Okay. So this is from sales document. Okay. As of now, I'll remove this. This is not required. Now the T code to see all these entries are SC16N. Okay, SC16N. So hope you got idea about how we can create customers and how we can pull the customers of each general data, company code data, and sales area database. Now XD02, what is the XD02? What is the T code? XD02 T code is to change the customer master. Now this is the customer master. Now click on enter. So you can change these fields. Okay, system will allow to change the fields. Okay. Now save this. You can save this. Okay. Now what is XD03? XD03 is nothing but display customer master. Sorry. XD03. XD03 is display customer master. Now, when I'm in display mode, system will not allow me to change any of the fields. So this is the difference between creation, change, and display. Okay. Now in next class, let us see the importance of each and every field. Okay. The importance of each and every field from SAP SD functional consultant point of view. So if you're a SD consultant, as a consultant, what are the fields that we need to check? So all those fields, let us say in next class, and in company code, which are the important fields that we need to take care, and in sales area data, which are the fields we need to take care. So each and everything, let us see in next class. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please raise question in the comment box. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe because this will help you to get the notification of my upcoming video. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Bye.